Hi, I'm Sidra, and today we are going to go over idea of having in-house care cloud community and why there exists a need for one. Before we dive any further, little bit about me. I'm tech enthusiast, a developer, working in tech space for 3 years now, and I'm actively involved in communities and currently working as I'm remarkable facilitator to build confidence among underrepresented communities. Let's start with 101 of communities. What community is? So, a community is a group of people working together to achieve common goal. And a community is a place to share common ideas and knowledge and get inspiration from. And it's in human nature and its need to feel sense of belongingness, and community provides sense of belongingness, and it improves work ethics, plus brings out the best from the people. So, here's why I think community is the new way in tech. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, Microsoft already have their tech community, and others are building one. And it helps them maintain their brand among their customers and in the tech ecosystem. So here's the list of why K-Cloud should go community way. Tech is very communal. Whether it is sharing your idea from developing software till it reaches its customer, it involves a lot of people and it's very communal activity. So it's very important for K-Cloud to have a community channel where they can share their idea and knowledge in a collaborative way. CareCloud itself has very diverse set of employees. Their employees is spread across continents from Asia to South America, and it is and they are different on every level from culture, racial to ethnical background. And research have shown that diversity has direct impacts on financial returns. A research done by McKinsey showed that a company in the top quartile with have with having more ethnical and racial diversity gets 35% more financial returns than a company which don't have. So a diversity, if used in a proper way, can gain financial returns. Having CareCloud internal community will provide us with positive impacts like employee engagement, share knowledge base where expert can share their knowledge with their other employees, and collaborative environment. Plus, it will create sense of belongingness. This will increase employees' productivity, creativity, and innovation that Cloud does. So we now know that community is the way to move forward. So how we can achieve it? Through K-Cloud Community Program, we can bring thousands of employees together to workshops, mentorship programs, and events, and it will help our employees in their engagement as well as company to maintain their brand in tech ecosystem. So here's one example of creative concept that we can apply throughout the company. For example, behind the scenes activity that how management work and sharing it among employees, it will increase their relevance and also employee stories. For example, how long an employee has been working and what they do, what their interests are. These are one of creative concepts. So scaling up of Care Cloud community, how it can scale. So we can scale a Care Cloud community via regions, just like Google has done, and then further into departments and teams, getting positive feedback from people. So at the end of the day, the community building process is a slow process and it involves people and engaging them. But it is worth the effort because it directly satisfied our customer and we can fulfill our customer need That's it from my side, and I look forward to hearing from the judges. Have a nice day.